In this video, we will see a few tips on how to add angle dimensions. So for the first tip, let's go to Smart Dimension and let's add angle between these two lines. What you would usually do is select these two lines. However, angle dimension can also be added between 3 points. So select the center point first, then select the two other vertices, and here we have the angle dimension. And the angle dimension has been added. Now let's move on to the other interesting tip. Here, in this case, we have a single inclined line and we want to add an angle between the horizontal axes. So as we have a single line, what we usually do is add a center line here, like so. We'll be creating a center line here and then add an angle dimension here. But instead of this, let's delete this one here. Instead of this, you can simply go to Smart Dimension, click on this line here, and the center point, press Ctrl and click on this center point, and here you'll see the arrows in horizontal and vertical directions. So as we need to add the angle along the positive x-axis, let's select this one here and insert the dimension. Let's try this again. This can also be done in this case. We need to add an angle between these two circles and let's connect the center points, and we need to add angle along the vertical direction. So one thing that we can do is select this line here, or what we can do is press Ctrl, select this center point, select this downward arrow and insert the value. And these are the interesting tips on how to add angle dimensions. If you found the tips helpful, like and comment. And if you want to learn something else, let us know in the comments below.